So while you let that one dry, once that's dry, then you come back and do the same thing. Put a glue on a disc, glue the tabs down, coming up and overlapping, adding layers of glue, and then capping it with another disc. So your product at this point looks like that, which is, I think, very cute as it is. Now in your packet, though, it whirls a lot more. The pictures show it whirling a lot. My result was not that much movement. Mine, you could try it with lighter paper and see if that gets you more movement. The important thing when you're doing this is to get this part to be stable. That's why we use the hot glue if you have it. Otherwise, try it with the glue dots on the top and the bottom. And you want this to stay in place and you want this to move up and down. So you want this hole a little bit bigger than the other so that it moves up and down. Oh, that was pretty good. There's not bad. Look at that. Oh, cute. Okay, so that's my other final project. All right. So you also need a push pin to make your holes to put the skewer through. So I'm just going to make one hole in the top. You should get help to do this because it is sharp. And one hole in the bottom. Now I might make two holes in the bottom to start helping it be a bigger opening that it moves up and down on. So I'll put two holes right next to each other and see if that helps. Your skewer is sharp, but you have to be careful that you don't lose your point. I'm going to wiggle that around so that that makes a bigger hole. And that moves easily through it. Now when I get up here, I don't want much of my point showing. Hold it closer to the top. And I'm going to cover that because I do have a glue gun. Make sure you do it when you have an adult with you. I'm going to cover it with glue on the top. Okay. And then I'm going to also do it inside. See, not everything works the way you want it to. Okay, that's a lot of glue. Lots and lots of glue. And it's hot. Okay, I want one more go at that. You're gonna have lots of strings coming up. Okay, let me put a little bit more on top. And again, this is where you could use a glue dot. And just pick the strings and stuff off layup when it's dry, when it's not hot. And I'm gonna have to let that dry, and it'll be a lot like this one. So look it up, Whirligig. Think how they would have done this with strings and button and a piece of wood. And maybe try it with different materials. Maybe try it with lighter paper. And see how much movement you can get. It's cute. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.